Hi, in this program, we are going to learn about how to represent the snakes and movement and what are the basic snake movement program and how to control the snake's directions. And later on, we are going to do collision detections for the walls and for the snake to snake collision. So let's learn about that. So for that, you need to import the turtle and define the constant to represent the window where you want to display. So for that I have given width 500 pixels and height 500 pixels and to put the timer to delay the snake's movement, we have written is delay 500 milliseconds, and then offset that determines how much snakes moves in each directions. So offset, I have defined the, like if you move, then should go x-axis it should be 0 and y-axis it should be 20 pixels it should move. Then it is going up, and it y directions, if it goes minus y, then it goes directions down, and in left directions, if x is negative, then it is going to left direction, and if x is positive, that means it is going to right directions. So 20 0 for right direction. And after defining the up down distances to move to snake, we will define the functions. Suppose if you want to go up, then you have to define the function for go up, and then you can have a variable snake directions. I have made it globally to detect it. Here is the snake's directions. I have made snake's directions. By default it should be up so that it will look snake is moving. So I have defined the global variable, and then I am using the global variable is next direction now. And to write the go up function, you have to write the, okay, snake directions is not down, then go up. And same for go right directions. We have written global variables is snake directions, and then if snake's directions is not left, then go to right, and go down similar way. Global variable is snake direction, and if snake's direction is not up, then go to down. And definitions define the function for go left. Global is next direction. If is next direction is equal to not right, then go to left. And then I have written the game loop functions to control the to do collision detections for the wall. Like if it will go to the wall, then it should define the detection. It should detect the walls, and it should come back. It should detect the wall that I should not go from the behind this wall. And snake to snake collision we will define. So how it will be work, we will make the functions for game loop to do this. So game loop, and we have declared the stamper variable here. You can see the stamper variables. Create a turtle. To do any stuff, you have to define the variable stamper and turtle functions. So it will do all the turtle graphics. Here you can see the when a turtle object is created, function derived from some turtle method. So it is deriving the turtle method, and it will do the some stuff. Then I have taken here stamper a dot clear stamp to remove existing stamps by stamper, and to change the direction to define detect the wall. First we remove the existing stamps by stamper, and then we create the new head, and snakes -1. So it should go to the last segment of the list, and that you should copy it. That is the new head, and from there we will create the new head of 0, that is the x-axis, and new head of 1, that is the y-axis. So new head of 0 plus is equal to, you should add the offset snake's directions and 0. So snake's directions offset, it will take for up 0 to 20, down to 0 minus 20, because x is plus and here is minus negative, left is similar. If you will go to the left, then x will become negative and y will be 0. So offset we are taking from here. So plus offset is next directions 0. New head for x-axis, it will go in x direction, and for y direction, new head of 1 plus offset is next directions of 1. So it will take the for right direction, for y direction, left and right it will take. And and then for checking collisions, we take the if method. If else, if new head in snake or new head of 0, uh, when we determine the collisions, we see the width of the half, because x directions, our 0 0 is on the center. So for the taking the direction, you have to do width by divided by 2. So for new head of 0, it will become minus width minus 2, like a minus x-axis minus x divided by 2, and new head of 0 plus x divided by 2. So width divided by 2, and here I have given forward line to go to the new line, and or new head of 1, this is for y-axis, and y-axis in minus height minus y divided by 2, and or new head of 1 y-axis positive y divided by 2 height by 2. And then once it operates this if functions, then turtle dot by close the program. Otherwise else, add new head to snake bodies, to snake to append new head, and remove the last segment of snakes dot pop of 0. After we head to new head, then we don't need last segment of snakes. To draw the snakes for segment in snake, stamper variable is for turtle, and stamper dot go to segment 0 1. So like it is a point, xy point. So segment 0 and segment y, we are making the snake, and stamper dot stamp, we are making stamp to make it snake. Refresh screen, and then once it becomes, it should update the screen all the times. And then repeat turtle dot on timer game loop, comma delay game loop functions why we have defined here, um, to remove existing stamps by stamper, and how it will go in up directions and down directions and left right directions, x and y. New head I have given in a game loop. So that's on timer, it should be delay for 500 milliseconds, and delay, and then create the window where we will be doing drawing. So screen is equal to turtle dot screen, so that will create the screen, and set up width and height to create the, and we have given the width and dimensions here. Define the constant 500, and once we do that, we define the cursor screen title, snake control, and screen background color. I like red color, so I have put red. Screen dot tracer 0 to disable the automatic animations. We have tracer 0 we have defined, and here is the event and handler screen dot listener to listen to the event. And if we press the key up directions, it will go up, and if you press the key right directions, then it should go right. If you press the down keyword, then it should go down, and if you press the left keyword, then it should go left. And then stamper is equal to turtle dot turtle, create a turtle to do any stuff, And stamper dot shape, I have taken a square, you can take triangle or whatever you want to stay shape. And stamper dot pin up to move it. Once it is square is done, then that's it, done. Create snake as a list of coordinate pairs. So snake will be in it starts from the 0 0, and then we move the pixel 20 in x directions, and 0 it will move 20, and then y directions it will move to the 40 0, and in and x2 y2 directions it will be 60 0. Snake's directions it goes up to the I have defined the global variable to always to go up. And to draw the snakes for segment in snake, stamper dot go to, and here is the xy variable segment 0 and segment 1, stamper dot stamp, so it will draw the snakes. Set animation in motions, and we call the game loop functions. Here we have made the x new head and y directions new head, so it will call and it will make the animations of the snakes. And turtle dot done to close the program. And now let's see what happens, how it detect the collision from the wall. Run python to run and run python file in terminal, and then you see the output. Windows subsystem for Linux must be updated to the latest version to proceed. This prompt will be in 60 seconds. So just wait for 60 seconds, and here it is. So here you are seeing, and you go to right direction, left directions, it goes to right directions. And if you do quickly, it is detecting from the collision from herself. If you are going the right direction, it is just existing after going reaching to the wall. So then we will move to the next steps. So this is how you have to do. In go down, it will go in a down, and if you will say go left, then it will go left. It is up to you how you want to control. And then go down, so it will go down. If you will say left, go left, so it will go in a left. And even you can delay time. I have put 500, you can make it 400 or 100, so it will go faster. So here is I'll go to right, then it will go to the right. So that's how it move the snakes through the keyboard. You can move it down. So now it can go down, and if you will keep to the left, then it will go to left. That's it.